room is not active.
Well, you are still talking, so I know it has some activity in it. So let's take a look at our bank again on Tuesday. Hold on. Okay, so we have, how many subjects do we need to find? One subject? One subject, one verb. So let's take a look at DGP Tuesday, because this is something you guys are going to be taking a quiz on soon. So it says the simple subject. What does it say the simple subject is? The who or what of the verb. We said the verb was ran, right? On Monday, we said the verb was ran. So Kendra is ran. So you are telling me that the simple subject is halfway through the sentence? Have you lost your mind? Is that possible? It is? Oh, okay. Can you introduce the subject like hurrying through the halls? Yeah, that's what you do with a participle phrase. So, is it a transitive verb? So you're ready to identify the verb? Right? The simple predicate. So the next thing we have to identify is the simple predicate, which is also the verb, right? If you look at simple predicate, it is the verb. Why are you saying did you say it's intransitive? What is the direct object of ran? Okay. Does it say Kendra ran locker? Okay. Into the locker. So it needs help getting to the locker. So Jacob, what do you think it is? VI. It's intransitive. Okay, it's intransitive. Again, looking at the simple predicate verb, it tells you how to identify those. If it has a direct object, it's going to be VT. If it does not, it's VI. So we should identify a direct object on Tuesday as well. All right. Okay, so let's identify our complete subject. Our simple subject is Kendra. Is there anything that modifies Kendra or tells you more about Kendra to add to our complete predicate? Or sorry, our complete subject. Does anything modify Kendra? We say no. What are you saying yes modifies Kendra? You think that hurrying through the halls tells us more about Kendra? Yes, it tells us what Kendra is doing. So I have to show how to do a single underline to Taylor before I forget. You want to click on the first word, right? You can hold down Shift and click on the last word that you're going to underline. That's what we're talking about when we say highlight. Remember that we come up here to our little waffle or our borders box. Okay. And make sure it's on single underline or single line, which is the top one. Then you click on the bottom border button. Taylor, were you able to follow that? So again, we're going to highlight everything. Click on the waffle. Highlight our single underline and hit the bottom border button. And now we have a bottom border. Connie, it's a great observation to realize that hurrying through the halls is talking about what Kendra is doing. Yes, sir. You're absolutely right. So now we know the verb and what happens with the verb, and it's yep. Good. So we'll do the same thing. We'll click on the first one, hit Shift, click on the last one. Okay, hit our little waffle. Let's quit worrying about emailing each other. You can go ahead and hey, you can give me that. Oh, I thought it was the phone. I was like, come on. All right, so click on double underline, which is the last one, and click the bottom border button. Okay, this is something a lot of you aren't doing still. And it worries me when we start doing Tuesday DGP quizzes. Monday and Tuesday are the important days. All right. In our bank, it still says that we have 2 prepositional phrases. We identified the prepositions on Monday, right? Through and into. Can that help us figure out what the prepositional phrases are? Bruce, where did we go through? The halls. So remember, parentheses around our prepositional phrase. Put parentheses around your prepositional phrase so you isolate it, right? And then you can identify what type it is. What is through the halls modifying? What are we doing through the halls? Hurrying. We're hurrying through the hallway. So we're not modifying a noun, so it's an adverb. This one adverb? Or is that's adverb. Okay. Our other preposition was into. What is our prepositional phrase for into? Into an open locker. So there's actually 4 words with this one. So into an open locker. What is into modifying? Ran. So we know that as adding to a verb. I think I clicked the right one. I did. All right. We have 2 objects of our preposition. What are the 2 objects to our preposition? Locker and hall. Now, this is one of those that will be a little bit harder. Tuesday will be a little bit harder than Monday will be. That's why we're also reviewing it thoroughly so that you know what's coming. I'll be honest with you, I can't see that far away at all anymore. I got you. Thank you. All right. Questions about DGP Tuesday? Concerns about DGP Tuesday? All right. So we're good to go?